MIUI Circle Fluo Icon Pack is a vibrant Android application designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of users' devices with a distinctive collection of circular-themed icons. This icon pack is tailored for those who appreciate a modern and colorful design, featuring bright hues and a sleek, minimalistic style. The icons typically represent a wide range of popular apps and system functions, all crafted with a consistent circular shape that adds a unique flair to home screens. The use of bold colors and gradient effects helps the icons stand out, creating a visually striking and cohesive theme across the device. MIUI Circle Fluo Icon Pack is usually compatible with various popular launchers, enabling easy integration and application for users. It may also offer regular updates to introduce new icons, ensuring that the collection remains fresh and relevant. By transforming the look of Android devices with its eye-catching design, MIUI Circle Fluo Icon Pack allows users to personalize their home screens effectively, reflecting their individual style and enhancing their overall user experience.